9. Our house. A. Kinds of houses. Hi friends. A house is a shelter consisting of walls, floors, doors, windows, roof, etc., in which human being lives. It is a place for living, where every individual enjoys the happiness, feels comfortable, gets maximum relaxation, passes on family traditions and customs from one generation to the other. It is a place where one feels more protected and independent in household activities. It provides space for collective and individual activities of the family, such as recreation, reading, shared activities and experiences, and reception of visitors. In this lesson, you will learn about the different kinds of houses.
Unit 9. Our house. A. Kinds of houses. All living creatures build shelters to live in. We live in houses. House protects us from rain, cold, and heat. We can keep money and other costly things such as television, refrigerator, jewelry, etc. safely in our houses. House protects us from thieves, wild animals, poisonous snakes, and insects. In ancient days, man lived in caves and cavities. Even now, people who live in forests build their houses on the branches of trees to save themselves from wild animals. Some people go from one place to another in search of livelihood. They do not have any permanent house. Such people are called nomads. They live in tents. Tents are made of canvas cloth. In some areas like Kashmir, the land is covered with ice. Big ponds are found in such areas. People build their houses on boats in those areas. Earthquakes occur frequently in some countries like Japan. So, people build their houses with wood and pasteboard in those countries. Villages are more in our country. Majority of villagers are poor, so they live in huts. We can also see tiled houses in villages. These houses are built on strong walls. Some people in villages build bungalows. Rich people live in bungalows. Population is more in major cities, so people cannot get enough place to build houses separately, so they build multi-storied buildings. Do these. 1. Fill in the blanks.
Conceptual understanding.
2. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets.
Conceptual understanding.
Oh no, do it again. Oh no, do it again.
Three. Answer the following questions in a word or a phrase.
Conceptual understanding.
Four. Answer the following questions.
Conceptual understanding.
Five. Match the following.
Communication.